Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and we got some minute math tricks. This is the butterfly method for fractions. We have 2/5 minus a 3/4. Watch this. We take the 2 and the 4, multiply that out, and we get an 8. Same thing, 5 and the 3 give us a 15. Then we multiply here 5 and 4, which is a 20. Okay? 8 minus a 15, negative 7. Keep the denominator as 20. And there we have it. 2/5 minus a 3/4 is negative 7 over 20. 4/3 minus a 10/5. Watch this. 4 and the 5, multiply that out, we get a 20. 3 times a 10 gives me a 30. And a 3 times a 5 gives me a 15. Subtract the numerator. 20 minus a 30 is a negative 10 over, well, down here it's just 15. Which, well, simplifies, divide everything by 5, and we have a negative 2/3. And so 4/3 minus 10/5 is a negative 2/3. 5/2 minus a 1/3. Watch this. 5 times a 3 is a 15. 2 times a 1, that's a 2, it's not too bad. 2 times 3 is a 6. Subtract the top. 15 minus a 2 gives me a 13 over 6 in the denominator. And there we have it. 5/2 minus a 1/3 is 13 over 6. 1/3 minus a 7/2. Watch this. Multiply across. 2 times 1 is a 2. And 3 times a 7 is a 21. Got it. 3 times 2 is a 6. Subtract the top. 2 minus 21, negative 19 over down here 6. And there's our answer. 1/3 minus a 7/2 is a negative 19 over 6. We have 7/2 minus a 5/3. We multiply across, well, diagonally. 7 and a 3 multiply to be a 21. 2 and a 5 multiplied to be a 10. From there, we want to multiply 2 and the 3, which gives us a 6. See the butterfly there? Now from here, 21 minus a 10 is 11 over 6. And there we have it. Not too bad. 7/2 minus a 5/3 equals 11 over 6. Now you know some minute math tricks.